Hey, welcome back. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play. And guess what? I got a giveaway. Yeah, I got a giveaway. So what I'm trying to do is I need 1,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 245 subscribers. So this is the giveaway, okay? I'm gonna give away 2 Amazon gift cards. One for $25, that will be towards all those who have already subscribed. So everybody's name is gonna get put into the bucket, and I'm gonna pull one name out for those who have already subscribed. So it's gonna be one winner for the people who have already subscribed up to today's date. And that drawing will be drawn at the same time when we reach the 1,000 subscribers. And the other drawing for the $25 Amazon card, it's gonna go like this. So I need you to ask your friends and family and people you know to subscribe. And when they subscribe, you have to have them to put in the comments section that they was referred by you, and they have to put your email. And when they put your email, that's how you'll get credit. So the minimum is 5 people and up. So the one who have the most people to refer them over to and they subscribe, they will win the $25 gift card. It could even be someone that already have subscribed. You can go for both if you want. You know, why not? If you're gonna put in the work, why not? So the drawing will take place right live on a video so that you'll know who it is. We'll draw the emails out live on the video, and we will we'll email you the gift card, okay? So hey, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. You've done it so far. You got me here so far. So I know we can do it, okay? And I would really, really, really love that, all right? So, and then another $25 gift card to anyone that refers other people. And the other people have to go in the comments section and put down your email. So it'll go like this here. Let's say your name is James Brown. You're gonna say, the person is gonna say, I'm so-and-so, my email is, I don't know, Audrey Jones, and James Brown referred me. And they just put that in the comments section, and I'll keep a tally of that. And we're gonna give the giveaway real soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers. So can we do that? Okay, let's give it a shot. We're in it together, so let's go all the way. Okay, I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll give you an update every now and then of how it's going and everything. And hey, anything that you want me to talk about, anything you want me to discuss, anything you want me to cook, just let me know. I'm here for you, okay? Those who have already subscribed, you're already entered into the drawing, okay? A $25 Amazon gift card, which will be drawn when we get to 1,000 subscribers. And anyone new that's gonna subscribe, I'm asking everyone that is on YouTube, or if you just came onto the site, if you would refer your friends, family to come and subscribe. For the minimum is 5 people. So after you reach 5 people, the one who subscribed more than 5 people will be entered into win the other $25 gift card. So the way it works is you have your friend to put in the comment section that you referred them, and they're gonna put your email. so that you can get credit. And hopefully we'll be able to have this drawing real soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, okay? So thank you. I'm Grandma Ray Don't Play, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, and remember, I'm here waiting on you to help me. Thank you. Bye-bye.